What's up, penny stock junkies? Technical indicator back at you. If you're not a penny stock junkie, don't take it personal, but I am. I love penny stocks, and Bfhj is at the top of my list right now. This is very popular on iHub, and it should be. Look at all the volume that came into this equity last week, and the stock touched up against some very important resistance points. What's got my attention is that the pullback took place this week on some profit taking. This is a weekly chart, so you want to look at a daily as well. But what has my attention, as I was saying, is a break of 008 is going to possibly bring in a whole new slew of investors, and that volume should increase again, and this one could be off to the races. What we're looking at for resistance. Back here in the early part of 2010, you can see that it touched up against 008 and pulled back and has been in a steady downtrend, kind of sideways trading, and it's getting very active with volume in here. Before this early part of 2010, September of 2009, you can see that it touched up against those areas as well. So there's your resistance point. Hit it again. If we break it, I think it could go. Indicators, well, they're possibly a little bit toppy, but not too much. You've got a 2200 cross taking place here on the weekly chart. We already had that take place on the daily chart, and that should bring a lot of eyes to the stock. Obviously, volume precedes price. So we're going to need the bulls to come back in and dominate next week. If they can do that, if they can hold the share price up, then Bfhj could be moving forward, in my opinion. Say it pulls back a little, which is normal. Well, you've got support here on the weekly chart, but there's going to be more support in these ranges as well if you look at the daily chart. And I'll break that down later. All in all, I would say keep Bfhj on watch, especially if it breaks 008. Could be a big mover at that point. Take it easy, everybody. Have a great weekend. Enjoy happy hour, and we'll talk again soon.